Hey everyone, my name is Dhruv, and today I'm going to be attempting to fix this old camera I have. This camera is a Canon PowerShot 620. It's a really old camera, and it broke a long time ago because of some sort of battery acid leak, and I just want to figure out if I can fix that. But you see in the title that doesn't exactly go as planned. There's 3 screws in this thing, which is hard to get at, so I just got rid of 2 of them, and I'm taking out this ribbon cable, and yeah, I got this. Easy peasy. I don't know where the other screw even goes. Oh, it's just, I think I broke it. Other screw's right there. Other screw is right there. It's not even in focus. This looks epic. Yes, I am also playing Valorant in the background. This looks so cool. Look at this. Getting there. Look at this beauty. Alright, this is good. Getting somewhere. This thing's gotta go, because this is not gonna stand. But this is pretty well. So now in total I've taken apart 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things off of the camera. All the screws are right here and attached to my screwdriver. Now, the main issue is the batteries could have been destroyed because of that, and part of the circuit board could have been destroyed because of that. So now I'm gonna try and take apart the circuit board, lift it like this, and see what's underneath. Hopefully there's no green stuff. There is green stuff over here that I need to clean out. Camera was in focus the entire time. I'm good at this. Oh, the screw came out. Well, that's good. Finally came out, and that means that I peeled that off, revealing a lot. Oh my god, that's a lot of stuff. Thank god I just pull. Here's something I need to do. Pull this out some way. There we go. Now this one's gonna be difficult. So one last then. This one should be easy. All that gunk. That is disgusting. So much battery acid that I need to clean now. I'll probably get some tools for this. And I broke off the connectors. Well, that's just great. Using the power of looking back at what happened in the video, I found out that right here, red goes on the right and black goes on the left. You're not the greatest, and don't ask me why it goes up. That just makes it easier as well, of course. And now I'm gonna do the other part, the actual difficult bit, putting it on these wires right here. Guess who soldered it? Guess which amazing creature just did that? Yes, it was I. and I only dropped it once on the carpet floor and only burned myself once, and my skin is literally charred white. I think I need some help. Now that this thing is basically as clean as it's ever gonna be, I'm now gonna attempt to put this stuff back and put it in batteries and turn it on. Okay, so this solder right here came off, and there's literally no way to get this thing back, this thing on here. So that means this is another failed project. So at the end, it turns out that entire battery component and circuit board was just not fried, but they had way too much battery acid in them, to where I don't think cleaning them would even help. And that stuff is corrosive, and that's why the circuit board is all messed up. That's why the camera didn't work, and that's why the project failed. You might notice a watermark right there. That's because it's actually an app they're using for an old phone to make it into a high quality webcam, because most webcams on the market are garbage. So why is that important? Because next two videos, or some of the next two videos, are going to be about my desk setup, and more importantly, my computer. Stay tuned. See you then.